Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking lasagna. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have mozzarella cheese. We have Parmesan cheese. We have ricotta cheese. We got onions, eggs, eggplant, red and green bell pepper, garlic. We have our lean ground beef. We have our lasagna noodles or lasagna pasta. We're gonna use tomato paste, diced tomato, parsley flakes, oregano leaves, salt, sugar, and we have fresh parsley here. We will cook the beef first, and then we will do the ricotta fillings. So let's get started. Now in our hot pan here, let's put a little of olive oil. Okay. All right. And we will add our beef. Then this time we're going to add our onions. We'll mix it again. We'll add our onions. Garlic. Cook it for, I should say, a minute. We can add our basil. Fresh basil, and we're gonna mix it. Now we'll add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's add our tomato paste. Okay. We will add our diced tomatoes. Okay. Gonna mix it and bring it to a boil. You're gonna simmer this for 20 to 30 minutes. Now this time we're gonna put our vegetables. Gonna give it a stir, mix it all together. Now our beef is already cooked, so this is our beef filling. So we'll just set this aside while we are preparing our ricotta filling. Now we're gonna make the ricotta filling. So we need 2 eggs. Okay. and 1 pint of ricotta cheese. Okay. And we'll mix them together. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of dried parsley. Now we can add 2 tablespoons of dried parsley. 1, 2. Okay. And we're going to mix them together. And we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. Alright, mix them together, and we're going to set this aside until we need it to use for when we assemble the lasagna. All right. Now we're gonna add half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Okay, and mix it. Okay. Then we're gonna put this aside. Now we will assemble our lasagna. We'll put 1 layer of meat on the bottom. Okay. All right. So we'll just spread it. Okay, a little bit more. There you go. So the lasagna will not stick on the bottom once we bake it. Now we're gonna put the lasagna layer, first layer. All right, 3, then 4. Okay, then we will put the ricotta coating or ricotta filling. Okay, spread it evenly. Okay, a little bit more. Right. Okay. And then we're gonna put mozzarella cheese. And spread mozzarella cheese evenly. Okay. All right. Just half cup every layer is fine. All right. And then we'll put another layer of meat. Okay. Right. We're gonna spread again. Evenly. There you go. And then we'll put our another layer of our lasagna. Put another one. We have a lot of this anyways. So let's put the ricotta filling again, everything, and then spread it. There you go. There you go. And then put mozzarella cheese again. All right. Evenly. Another half cup of mozzarella cheese. There you go. All right. And then another layer. This is the final layer of our lasagna. Okay. All right. There you go. Then we're gonna put the remaining of our beef. Okay. Okay. Our oven is reheating already. We're trying to get 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we will bake this for an hour, and thereafter an hour we will remove the cover, and we're gonna bake it again for the next 20 minutes. So this time this is ready, but on top of this we will put this time we're gonna put our Parmesan cheese. Okay. Okay. This time we'll cover this so the moisture will be intact inside, so it won't dry out. Okay, the oven alarm already. It's on 375 degrees. So we'll put it in the oven for an hour. Here's our finished product, lasagna. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.